Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna quickly explain motions and gestures on iPad 9th Gen. The iPad 9th Gen has a home button here. You can click on it to go back to your home screen. You can double click it to go to recently opened apps, and you can press and hold on it to open Siri. Then within apps, for example settings, you can go back by clicking on back button like that, or you can swipe from the left to go back. For example, let's go into Safari, and to go back, swipe from the left or click on the back button, and it should work the same way. And you can also in Safari go further by swiping from the right side. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.